The reason why I chose criminal defense isn't so much that I chose criminal defense chose me. I love the fight. I get to play a little bit of mad scientist because when it comes to police work in general, there's psychology of the arresting officer, psychology of the person being arrested. There's knowledge about the ins and outs and your constitutional rights. So that way you know where the weak points are and how to attack them.
I was working at this bike shop. A few parts come up missing right about the time that I had quit. The time I left, they hit me with the felony charge. When I first hired Keith, I was scared. He comforted me. He told me exactly what to do. He said, we'll work through this together. When we got into that courtroom, I think he said 4 words and the judge dismissed everything. The huge burden that was on my back has now been lifted. Would I recommend Whiddon Law Office? That'd be a very highly strong yes. He's virtually a silent assassin.
No one should be judged whenever they are in the middle of what is the worst time and the worst position in their entire life. I don't judge them based on what the situation is. I don't judge them based on what some third person has accused them of. What we do is we give them that fighting chance that they didn't know they had whenever they think that they are backed up against the wall. We help them fight back.
I reached out to Keith because my son was being accused of a double homicide. I was so scared and frightened because I know that's not his character and that's not who he is.
My biggest fear going through this was the justice system, honestly. Whether I was going to get the proper justice or whether I was just going to be another statistic. Because what it looks like and not what it actually was. When I first talked to Keith and told him everything, he said he believed me and he was going to bring justice to me.
It made me feel secure. It made me feel like I really got a lawyer that for justice for my son. I will absolutely recommend Keith Whiddon Law Firm. He cares about his clients, and that's hard to find these days.
This is what I want to do. This is the only thing that I do. I don't do divorce work. I don't do child custody work. I don't do injury work. I do criminal defense. At Whiddon Criminal Defense, we believe that after the arrest is made, the fight has just begun, and we give our clients every fighting chance.